How to get more karmas on Reddit. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get more karma on Reddit. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit app, we click on the icon, and this is the app. Now if you want to get more karmas, you need to start commenting on posts and replying to people like this, and make some good engagement with people, and you will get a lot of karmas as soon as possible. That's the only one option that you have to get more karmas is by commenting and replying and helping people. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.